5 longest words. Anti-disestablishmentarianism. Opposition to the disestablishment of a state church. Try with me.
Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
Floxenosinahilapilification. The action of estimating something as worthless. Try with me. Floxenosinahilapilification. Pneumon-ultramicroscopic silicovolcaniconiosis. A lung disease caused by inhaling very fine silicate or quartz dust. Try with me. Pneumon-ultramicroscopic silicovolcaniconiosis. Pseudohypoparathyroidism. An inherited disorder that closely mimics the symptoms of hypoparathyroidism. Try with me. Pseudohypoparathyroidism. Hippopotomonstrosesquipedaliophobia. Fear of long words. Try with me. Hippopotomonstrosesquipedaliophobia. Create your own sentences using these words and share them with us in the comments. Spread the word. Like this video and share it with friends to keep the knowledge flowing.